Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the Mini Mystery Box of Awesome. This is a completely random subscription. It's $10 a month and they send you really fun things. So let's take a look at what's inside. Oh, that's hilarious. That is so funny. Spray the bowl for odor control. This is a citrus scent. Too funny. So you spray it a couple times in the water. Hilarious. So we got that. They also always include a little like word find, some little activities on a piece of paper. So we got that. Also an advertisement for their snack subscription box, which looks super fun. Next up, Laugh Out Loud Games Mind Reader Dressing Up Guessing Game. Contains 4 thought bubble headbands. Okay, so it's probably like, yep, dry erase pens, little headbands. So they write it on there and you have to guess. That's kind of fun. Also have, this is the last item in there, Space Invaders projection light. Color changing projection. Oh, that's so cool. And it puts the little Space Invader guys on the wall. Yep, you can see them on top there. Oh, that's really fun. So I assume, is this battery operated? Let's see. Yep, it requires 3 AAA batteries. That's really fun. Actually, my son's gonna love that. He doesn't even know what Space Invaders are, but I do, so that's cool. So we got that, a game, the little spray, and that's what came in the February box. Super cool. If you guys want to join and sign up, I'll put all their information below. I also have a playlist if you want to see other unboxings I've done for this company. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.